Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can export your Gmail emails to an Excel or a CSV file. So let's begin the video. So before I show you how you can export your email as a CSV or Excel file, I should tell you that there is no direct way on Gmail that you can export it. So we're going to use a free software that will allow us to do so. So let's move towards our laptop or PC. Here I am on my Windows machine, and first of all you're going to open any browser. You're going to open Gmail and log into your Gmail account of which you want the emails to be exported as an Excel or CSV file. So as of now Gmail does not have any option to export your emails. So for that we are going to open a new tab and search for Takeout Google. So this service is provided by Google and it allows you to export your emails to an mbox format, and after that we can convert it to an Excel or CSV file. So the first link is takeout.google.com. we're going to open this link and we're going to scroll down. So if you have ever exported some data before, it will show in the export section, but since it is your very first time, you're going to scroll down, create a new export, and it says 53 of 54 selected. We're going to click on deselect all, and from here we're going to scroll down until we find the mail app. Here it is, mail. We're going to select it, and here it says multiple formats. If I click on it, it says that your email messages will be exported in an mbox format. So your most of the mail apps export your data in an mbox format, and after that we are going to convert it in a CSV or Excel file, and we are going to click on OK. Now the other option is all mail data included. If I click on it, it's going to tell you that all of the emails that you have will be exported. Now if you want to export specific emails from specific categories, you're going to deselect this option and you're going to select the category of which you want the emails to be exported. So in my case, I don't want my inbox emails to be exported, drafts or chats. However, I want the emails that are present in the promotions category to be exported. So I'm just simply going to select this particular option. You can select multiple options, like if you want to export only the sent emails, you can select the sent option and so on. And I have used this method to export more than 80,000 emails. So this method is very effective. I'm going to click on OK. One label selected. You're going to scroll down, click on next step. It's going to ask you to select your file type, frequency and destination. So we are going to select send download link via email. So when the exportation is completed, you're going to receive an email on your Gmail account from where you can download your inbox files, export once, and the file will be in a zip folder. Export larger than this size will be split into multiple size. So if you are exporting large number of emails, you can change this size. Basically it means that if your size is more than 2 GB, then it will make two different files, so that the split is of maximum 2 GB. In my case 2 GB is enough. You can go up to 10 GB if you want to. I'm going to click on create export. Here it is saying Google is creating a copy of data from mail. So this process will take some time depending on how much emails you are exporting. So in my case it took around 2 to 3 hours to export when I did it before. So we're going to wait until we receive an email on our Gmail account. You can see I have received a mail from Google Takeout. If I click on it, you can see we have finished creating a copy of Google data that was requested on this date. You can download your files. So we're going to click on download your files. It's going to open a new tab, and from here you need to re-enter your Google account password just for security reasons. And in your case it's going to show only one export. It's showing my old exports as well, but you're just simply going to click on the download button. And here is the folder of the email data that we downloaded, and you can see it is in a .zip file. So in order to extract it, just right click on it and you're going to click on open, and it's going to show you the takeout folder. So just simply copy the folder, go back and paste it outside the zip file, and it should unzip it and copy the file. If you have WinRAR or any other unzipping software, they will work the same. And now if I open the Takeout folder, it's going to show me archive browser and a mail folder. If I click on mail folder, it's going to show me of my mail data which is in a .mbox format. Now if you want to open and convert it to an Excel or CSV file, we need to download and install a free software. So before that, I'm going to just delete the zip folder, and now we only have this Takeout folder. You're going to open your browser and search for Mozilla Thunderbird. You're going to click on download, and this is a free software which you can use to convert any mbox file into a CSV file, and it does not have any trial version or anything like it. It's open source, completely free and secure. So from here you're going to select your language, release channel and your operating system. After that, click on download. Once the software has been downloaded, right click on the setup and run it as an administrator. Click on next, standard. Use Thunderbird as my default mail application. Uncheck this box, click on install. Click on finish. Here is Mozilla Thunderbird. First of all, you need to enter your name, your Google email address and your Google password. So I'm going to enter mine. Configuration found in Mozilla ISP database. So here it shows IMAP. So we're going to click on done. It's going to ask to sign into your Gmail account again. It's going to need access to your mail, contacts and calendar. Click on allow. So we're going to click on account settings. Go to synchronization and storage. From here click on advanced. Click on this drop down and uncheck both of these boxes so that your email data is not downloaded on your PC. And that's all. Now if I click on the top left where it says mail, it's going to show you your primary email and a local folder, and we are interested in this local folder. So what we are going to do is go to the local folder, right click on it, go to settings, and here it's going to show you a local directory. So basically we want to change this local directory, and we're going to give the path of the mbox file that we just downloaded from Google Takeout. So I'm going to click on browse. In my case, the mbox file is in desktop, email download, takeout, mail, and I'm going to select this folder, and it says Thunderbird needs to restart. We're going to click on restart, and now you can see in local folder it has detected our file category promotions.mbox, and it is showing all the emails that we exported using Google Takeout. Now in order to export it, we are going to need a plugin within Mozilla Thunderbird. Click on the top right, click on these three lines and click on add-ons and themes. Here just type import, export and search for it. So the first result will be import export tools ng. Click on it and click on add to Thunderbird. We are going to use this free plugin to export our email data as a CSV file. Click on add. Okay, it has been added. We're going to close it. Again go to our categories, and now if I right click on my categories folder, we have this option import export tools ng, and if I go, it says export all messages in a folder, and we can export it in an HTML, PDF, plain text and a CSV format, which we can use later as an Excel file. So we're going to click CSV format, and we're going to give it a destination. For me, I want it to be exported on my desktop. Click on select folder, and here on the bottom you can see it says exported these messages. So total 3317 messages or emails are being exported, and here you can see the status. So we're going to wait until the exportation is completed. And yes guys, I know this is a very complex process, but I have tried to find any better solution on the internet, but this is the most optimal and free solution that I can find to export your emails data from Gmail as an Excel or CSV file. On the desktop you can see a folder has been made. So basically the folder name will be your folder that you exported. In my case it's category promotion. If I click on it, it's going to have category promotion.mbox, but if you open the folder, it's going to have a messages.csv file, and you can open it using Excel or any other software. So I'm just going to right click on it, open with Excel, and here you can see it is showing all my data on all these different columns. Unfortunately, it does not have a header column, so you have to figure it out. But I think the first column is your subject column, the second column is your sender's email, the third column is your receiver's email, fourth column is date and time, the fifth column I'm not sure, maybe some attachments, the sixth column has some number, and the seventh column actually has your entire email message. So if I click on this button, you can see it's going to have the entire email message that you have received. And since this is a CSV file, you can save it as an Excel file. You can just simply click on File, Save As, choose the folder. I'm just going to go with Desktop, and instead of CSV you can select Excel. So it's going to have Excel right here, Excel workbook, and click on save. So now your file will also be saved as an Excel file. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.